Hey, what's up everyone? Just have finally received my Random Booster Volume 1 for the Orojya series, so let me just fix up the lighting. And yeah, I'm sure you guys have seen a few of these on YouTube now, so I'm just going to try and make this as quick as possible. I'm going to actually start off by saying that if you guys don't care about the main character's Beyblade, then if I were you, I would go ahead and buy several of these just for the metal wheels. So the metal wheels actually already cover the 3 main character Beyblades that are out. So if I can, yeah, no, my camera's been stubborn. So for the first one, let's see what I pull here. Alright, so green crystal wheel, pretty sure that's the pirate wheel. And just a plain black face welt. So they don't tattoo the what are we gonna call them? I don't know, they don't tattoo the character, I guess, onto the face welts anymore, but it's fine, except I'm a bit sloppy with my stickers. So, in this booster I got the Samurai Orojya 145WD, I'm pretty sure. I'm just going to open up the track and tip now. There we go, so a blue WD. And 145. I'm just going to quickly chuck it all together. So I'm pretty happy about the crystal wheel because it's green, so it looks pretty mad. It's alright, I guess. Pretty average pull, nothing special, and we'll see how I go in the next one that I've ordered. But yeah, basically what I was saying before is that the boosters include the 3 main characters, or the 3 main wheels that have already come out, been released. So if you don't really care about the parts that are out with the characters' Beyblades, or care about the color of the wheel or anything, then I would suggest that you guys get your hands on a few of these boosters, because they are a lot cheaper than the regular Beyblade with the launchers and all that. But the launchers that come with the new series do tend to work a lot better, unlike the older launchers. Anyways, that's about it. Sorry about the lack of videos. School has started, so I'll do my best to do 3 or 4 a week if I can. But that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.